Hi Mr. Hernandez. How are you? I am fine, and what about you? Have you heard about the recent discoveries about Rich's structure? Yes, it was in City News Channel. Amazing news. Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and I am Dr. Scott. Guys, in this video I am going to tell you about the Rich's structure, or the Eye of Sahara. First, let's start it with some key takeaways about the Eye of Sahara. Key takeaways about the Eye of Sahara. Guys, the Eye of the Sahara, also known as the Rich's structure, is a geologic dome containing rocks that predate the appearance of life on Earth. The eye resembles a blue bullseye and is located in Western Sahara. It is visible from space and has been used as a visual landmark by astronauts. Geologists believe that the eye's formation began when the supercontinent Pangaea started to pull apart. Amazing fact.
A great geological wonder.
Friends, geologists have concluded that the Eye of the Sahara is a geologic dome. The formation contains rocks that are at least 100 million years old. Some date back to well before the appearance of life on Earth. These rocks include igneous, volcanic deposits, as well as sedimentary layers that form as the wind pushes layers of dust and water deposits sand and mud. Today, geologists can find several types of igneous rock in the area of the eye, including kimberlite, carbonatites, black basalts, similar to what can be seen in the Big Island of Hawaii, and rhyolites. Guys, millions of years ago, volcanic activity from deep beneath Earth's surface lifted the entire landscape around the eye. These regions were not deserts, as they are today. Instead, they were likely much more temperate, with abundant flowing water. Layered sandstone rocks were deposited by blowing winds and on the bottoms of lakes and rivers during the temperate. The subsurface volcanic flow eventually pushed up the overlying layers of sandstone and other rocks. After the volcanism died down, wind and water erosion began to eat away at the domed layers of rock. The region began to settle down and collapse in on itself, creating the roughly circular eye feature, traces of Pangaea. Friends, the ancient rocks within the Eye of the Sahara have provided researchers with information about its origins. The earliest formation of the eye began when the supercontinent Pangaea began to pull apart. As Pangaea broke up, the Atlantic Ocean waters began to flow into the region. While Pangaea was slowly pulling apart, magma from deep beneath the surface began to push up from the Earth's mantle, which formed a circle-shaped rocky dome surrounded by layers of sandstone. As erosion took its toll on the igneous rocks and sandstones, and as the dome subsided, circular ridges were left behind, giving the Rich's structure its sunken circular shape. Today, the eye is somewhat sunken below the level of the surrounding landscapes. The future of eye. Guys, the Eye of the Sahara attracts both tourists and geologists, who flock to the eye to study the unique geological feature in person. However, because the eye is located in a sparsely inhabited region of the desert with very little water or rainfall, it is not under much threat from humans. That leaves the eye open to the vagaries of nature. The ongoing effects of erosion threaten the landscape, just as they do other places on the planet. Desert winds may well bring more dunes to the region, particularly as climate change causes increased desertification in the area. It's quite possible that, in the distant future, the Eye of the Sahara will be inundated with sand and dust. Future travelers may find only a windswept desert burying one of the most striking geological features on the planet. Friends, this much in this video. Guys, if you are planning to go to the Rich's structure, and be well prepared before going. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.